Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. Now, let's start with woman name. I am also joining. Mariam. Okay, Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. How are you?
Welcome, teacher.
Okay. Now, today we are going to start exercise 6A again, right? Yesterday,
टीचर
yes, Mariam, ask.
टीचर आपने पिछले वीक एक्सरसाइज 4D कराई थी क्या?
Last week,
जी
so we did revision before
सर उस पे लिखा था ग्रेड 7 एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4D आपका ही आ रहा था.
वो last वो 4D थी, last was 4D and now we have started 6A.
ओके
Okay?
ओके यही पूछा.
Question number 1 we have done question number 1, question number 2. अच्छा, in question number 2 we yesterday we did A to D. Now we are solving from E. Copy down part E now. Okay, part E copy down. M minus N whole square. I am 2 times joining. Page number 167. Okay. Now question number 2, part number E. Right? Part number E. M minus N whole square. M minus N whole square. Again we have algebraic expression in fraction form. M square minus Mn. Right? We have algebraic expression in fraction form. Okay? Now, let's start it. How we solve? First, you give heading of solution, rewrite it. M square minus Mn. Okay, now. See. First, you expand the, if you have expression, algebraic expression variable with their power, so expand it. This is the method. Okay, we have this method now. Tell me. Ayan, are you present?
Yes.
Okay. First you expand.
Yes.
First you expand it. We have in numerator m minus n whole square. We can write as, but if you have 2, 2 to the power 2. So if I say expand it, so you will expand like this. 2 multiplied by 2. You will write 2 2 times. If you have 2 to the power 3, then you will write 2 by 3 times, right? This is called expanding. We are expanding, right? Now, if we, now we have m minus n whole square. On the whole, we have square written in bracket and we have outside the bracket square. So this thing you will write 2 times. So 2 times how you will write? M minus n bracket close. What is its power? 1. in second bracket m minus n power is 1. So we can write as like this. M minus n
टीचर मैं आपसे एक चीज पूछूं?
n in other bracket. Yes, Maria? What you asking?
टीचर जैसे आप इसमें क्वेश्चन में m माइनस n और स्क्वायर बाई स्क्वायर है, जब वो नीचे लिखेंगे तो वो दोनों ही अल्फाबेट को दो दो दफा लिखेंगे।
Twicely, whole bracket. Over the bracket you have square. On the whole bracket you have square. So you will write this whole thing in bracket twicely, 2 times, twicely, right? So similarly, अब यहाँ come in denominator. M square minus mn. We have 2 terms here. We have 2 terms here. This is first term, this is second term. And different power of the variable. M square minus mn. So take out common. We see the common factor. So which thing is common? See, take out common factor from these 2 terms. Ayan, take out common. Ayan, take out common.
किसमें?
In denominator, from denominator terms.
टीचर m
M. Here m square and here m to the power 1. So m will be taken out as a common factor. Now bracket start. Right? Now what thing is left in first term? What thing is left? What thing is left?
m
M. Right? Minus sign as it is. So m you have already taken as a common factor outside. So what thing is left in second term?
टीचर n
And bracket close. Bracket close.
close.
Now rewrite it. I'm going to erase this thing. See here. Rewrite it. 2 bracket again. We have m minus n, m minus n. Write them in bracket. M minus n. Now see, in numerator and denominator, which thing is same? Which bracket is same? Which bracket is same? Why numerator and denominator from numerator and denominator. See which thing is same? Yes, Ayan or anyone else? Which thing is same?
टीचर किसमें? कौन सी ब्रेवोस में?
Mariam, you were sleeping? देखें. See, numerator and denominator we have to cancel.
टीचर m और n दोनों.
1 minute. Saad is joining. Very late comer.
m और n दोनों.
In 1 minute. Let me admit him. Okay, m minus n and m minus n. Whole bracket is same. So you can cancel them. M minus n और m minus n. Cancel. आप इसको भी कर सकते हैं. You can cancel them also. Right? So we have cancelled. What thing is remainder? What thing is left now?
1
यहाँ तो 1 हो गया. And here numerator in numerator tell me.
टीचर 1 सेकंड. तो क्या न्यूमिनेटर में भी 1 रह गया?
नहीं, न्यूमरेटर इसका तो कैंसिल होके 1 आ गया और इधर m minus n. m minus n whole bracket is left now. And in denominator what thing is left? In denominator what thing is left?
टीचर 1 1
Right? So m minus n multiply by 1 you will get m minus n. Right? Or in denominator m. So this is your answer. Right? Okay? Or Saad, why did you join late class? Saad Ahmed. Why did you join late class? No answer.
टीचर मोबाइल बंद हो गया।
Okay. Copy down it. This is part number E of question number 2. Quickly copy down. I have to explain next one. Have you understood? Ayan, Umar, understood you?
टीचर
What? Ayan?
टीचर रिवीजन टेस्ट है।
No, this is not your
Yes.
question. This is your routine work. Okay? We are going move the next question.
टीचर one thing I'm asking
Yes, what thing?
टीचर टीचर जब हम लोग अल्फाबेट को जब कैंसिल करेंगे एक जगह 1 बच जाएगा। अब जब दूसरी जगह
When you
वही अल्फाबेट लिखेंगे तो 1 के साथ वही अल्फाबेट लिखेंगे m और n।
by m minus n will multiply by 1. M minus n.
Miss,
No need to write one here. Just cancel them. Only for numerator m minus in numerator m minus n is left, and in denominator only m is remainder. Right? Write the remainder things. Okay? Or you cannot cancel
Miss,
m और m like this. You नहीं cancel हो सकता. बाहर अगर कॉमन निकला हो तब कैंसिल हो सकता है. ब्रैकेट के अंदर का नीचे से नहीं कैंसिल होता. Remember this thing. Okay? Yes. Who is asking? Now next question. Who is asking? You want
Miss,
to? Yes. Ask.
Miss, क्वेश्चन क्या है इसका? पार्ट क्या है ना? m minus n स्क्वायर ना?
Question number 2. Simplify.
मिस, ये जो इसका क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन
Simplify.
का जो है पार्ट, ये m minus n स्क्वायर का सवाल है ना?
This is question. M minus n whole square. You can see on page number 167. उमर नहीं देखा. Okay. This is question number 2, part number E. Yesterday we did till part D, A, B, C, D of question number 2. Now today we have started from E part. Remaining parts of question 2, I am going to solve. Okay, Umar? Ayan, have you understood? Understood now?
Yes.
ओके देखिए ये
Yes.
हमेशा इफ इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस ब्रैकेट में ये लिखा है m माइनस एन या विदाउट ब्रैकेट भी लिखा हो m माइनस एन अपॉन m तो ये m और ये m विल नॉट बी कैंसिल. रिमेंबर कीप इट इन योर माइंड. ये इसके साथ प्लस माइनस हो रहा है. ठीक है. ये u कैंसिल नहीं होता. ये u कैंसिलेशन जब होगी जब यहाँ आपका m कोई कॉमन निकला हुआ हो तो फिर ये m और ये m कैंसिल होगा. Remember this thing, right? Or these are your basic things, basic method, basic rules of solving the algebraic expression. Keep it in your mind forever. You no need to repeat again and again. कि आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाएंगे तो फिर वो टीचर आपको रिपीट करेंगे नए से ऐसे सारे लॉज आपको सिखाएंगी. जो whatever you have learned in this grade, so keep it in your mind forever. Okay, now next part F. I am starting part number F now. Sir, you copy down it. That's why I am not erasing this. 5 PQ. Or no need to ask me this thing. Okay, this question is that. This is what is this question? You have book. You can see from book. 15P minus 10PQ. Give heading of solution. Okay. Now, start quickly. Copy down. I need the space. 5PQ. 15P minus 10 PQ. देखें, see, again explaining. In numerator, first you have to see how many terms are given in numerator as well as in denominator. In numerator, we have only one term. ये पूरी it is making one term. I told you yesterday that terms are only separated by two sign, either plus or minus. मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड से नहीं टर्म चेंज होती है, टर्म्स होती हैं डिवाइड. देखें, इट इज ओनली वन टर्म ऑल्दो दे आर मल्टीप्लाइंग 5PQ. ये तीनों एक दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. 5PQ दे आर मल्टीप्लाइंग, so it is one term. Okay, and come in denominator. It is having two terms. This is your first term and this is your second term. We have two terms in denominator, right? So we cannot do anything with numerator. It is in single form. As it is copy down. Now come in denominator. In denominator we have two terms. First you see, we can take as a common factor anything. I am 10. We can take as a common factor from last two terms in denominator.
Yes.
What?
P.
हाँ. First you see number, numerical number देख लें आप पहले. This is 10. That table in which 15.
5 आएगा 5.
तो आप टेबल 5 निकाल लें बाद 5. ठीक है. ये this whole thing will help you in grade 9 or 10 also. वहाँ ये nobody ठीक है. 9-10 में ये सब बेसिक रूल्स आपको कोई नहीं सिखाएगा क्योंकि इतना टाइम नहीं होता वहां पर. ओके, नाउ सी द वेरिएबल here P and here PQ. which
आ रही है
बेटा वेट अब हम आ गए. वी आर करेक्टिंग अगेन. ओके, ये उमर नहीं, क्लोज योर कैमरा, टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा. उमर नहीं, उमर आई एम सेइंग टू यू, टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा. ओके, नाउ
मिस मेरा कैमरा बंद ही था.
1 minute. Okay, now that's
Miss?
it. Okay, now P is same.
Miss?
Now P is common factor.
Miss?
Factor. Yes, Umar.
मिस मेरा कैमरा पहले से ऑफ है, आप बोल रही मेरा ऑन है.
Okay. Okay, let's start. 5P is common. Take out as a
स्क्रीन ब्लैक आ रही है.
Ayan, now you tell which what thing is remain in first term. बताइए, what thing is remain in first term? We have taken 5P as a common factor. So what thing is left now? In table of 5, 5 3s are 15 here and P already taken as a common factor. So 3 is remain. Now in next 5 2s are 10 and P already taken. So Q is left, right? Now rewrite it. 5 PQ upon 5P, 3 minus 2Q, bracket close, right? Now see, yes, Umar Naeem, what you asking? बताएं अब क्या? What I do? What is the next step? Mariam, you tell now. Mariam, why no one is giving response? Anything is difficult here? Anything is problem?
No. टीचर क्या कह रही है?
हाँ, which thing is cancelling?
टीचर एक सेकंड,
Good.
5 और 5
Yes. तो इतना
एंड पी
so
फाइव एंड फाइव
5 and P also.
एंड क्यू
या
What thing is left now? That is
अंदर वाली चीजें नीचे अंदर वाली चीजें नहीं होती ब्रैकेट के अंदर की
ये है ना ऊपर. What thing is left in numerator?
क्योंकि
Q. यहाँ Q लिखा. Q upon
जो क्यू
minus 2Q. ठीक है? That is your answer. बस complete it. Complete it. 3 minus 2Q. It is done. Now I am going to raise this. So in this way we have completed all parts of question number 2. We have done all parts of question number 2. Okay. Now we are starting question number 3 now. Now question number 3. Write down 3 from book. You have book. Now number 3 is भाई आज क्या है? What is the problem today? Okay, now number 3. What is number 3? Simplify again each of the following. Question number 3. Simplify. Copy down its part A. Copy down. Part A is
सबकी स्क्रीन ब्लैक आ रही है
2A plus B. Beta, wait. 2 students are waiting. Sain Taimuri again joining late class. Mohammed also. Two A plus B upon 4A square minus B square. Okay now. Yesterday we did the
यार आपकी आवाज बहुत अटक अटक के आ रही है और स्क्रीन भी बहुत अटक अटक के आ रही है स्क्रीन ब्लैक क्यों हो रही है आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लैक आ रही है
black screen. I don't know about what's going on. Wait for a while.
आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही ब्लैक हो रही है
So you
आपकी स्क्रीन से अटक अटकी है जब आपसे अटक गई
अब देखें जरा.
खुद अटक गई
See now. Is clear? Is it clear?
नो टीचर बहुत अटक रही है आपकी स्क्रीन भी आप दिख ही नहीं रही क्या मैंने कहा Your screen is very black and blur also.
Okay. I think there is network problem from your side. यहाँ everything is fixed from our side.
टीचर हम सबका थोड़ी ना खराब हो सकता है टीचर
Mariam, you tell.
सबको यही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है
मिस
Yes, sign.
आपकी स्क्रीन अटक सबसे पूछ रहा
मिस आपकी स्क्रीन अटकी हुई है और आपके नीचे ना लाल लाल हो रहा है नेट का जो
है के सिग्नल्स नहीं आ रहे नेट के
यस टीचर लाल हो रहा है पूरा
ऐसे पूरा लाल हो रहा है सब ये कह रहे हैं आपकी स्क्रीन अटक गई है और ब्लर आ रही है काफी।
Beta, we have some network problem, so please wait. Okay. Screen is clear now? Yes. Is it clear? Where are you, boys? Grade 7 students. Give reply.
नो टीचर, नो
What?
नो टीचर आपकी
No. Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
अभी भी नहीं आ रही सही। नो
So, okay. In this way, we have completed question number 2, all parts. Right? So, what time is now? I think class is going to end. We have some internet problem.
आपकी आवाज ज्यादा नहीं आ रहा वो समझ में टीचर।
So, that's why I'm ending class.
आपकी स्क्रीन अटक गई है। यार जो एक जगह अटक गई है।
So, I'm going to. Okay now.
आवाज बहुत कट कट के यार आपकी स्क्रीन भी एकदम ब्लैक हो गई, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा।
Okay now I'm going to end.
फुल ब्लर भी आ रही है और आपकी आवाज बहुत अटक है और स्क्रीन भी अटक गई है और ब्लैक भी आ रही है।
Acha, listen. I have also problem here. So I'm going to end of the class. Okay? Listening or not? I'm going to end of the class. Should I end of the class? It is better.
टीचर आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी।
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आ रही है कट कट के।
Okay, see.
अब काम करवा दें।
Then what? You are not getting the screen or
ये स्क्रीन पूरी ब्लैक हुई हुई है।
ये जो स्क्रीन कभी अटक जाती है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आती है, कभी ब्लर हो जाता है।
आपसे ब्लैक हो गई।
see. Did you get my message?
टीचर यस, पर आपकी
Time
आवाज
was
बहुत
over.
कट कट के आ रही है।
Okay, I'm going to end.
Time was over.
Yes, time is over. Now I'm going to close the class. Okay?
चलो
Okay.